like fireworks.
Look at that shit.
I don't know if this is getting it or not.
It's funny. That was a long one. That
Yeah, it
good.
was.
Where's it?
That fucking car, man.
Only us.
Right.
Oh shit.
It's misfiring a lot.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I was gonna say it shouldn't be going it again. It's pretty rich right now. Come on. Where are you going, Nate? Oh, idiot. Fucking funny.
Going through the toll. And there he goes, taking it out. Oh!
Makes sense.
Oh! You can still hear it.
Thank you. He's been watching. He was watching the car. Wasn't paying attention to me.
Alright, now we gotta catch up to him. That shouldn't be too high.
Yeah.
All the tractor trailer guys all sleeping.
Yeah.
Or having to get off the
Night
road
time.
because of...
Yeah. Log hours. Where's our car? It's fucking gone. Let's see. Where do I want to be? I'm not sure.
I don't know what...
I don't know.
The
which-
84 New York City, maybe?
Well, I know, but I mean, I don't know what
Just like
area.
it's... That was just hair brought it to
Well, I wasn't sure which lane would be faster to get to him, that's all.
all of them.
Right?
Cross over as many ones as you want. No. Like that.
What's he doing?
Go on. You're a fucking...
No, I know.
You have a tiny car.
I'm looking